Hey guys, welcome to my channel Data Driven Decision. In this channel, I talk about the data science and machine learning kind of stuff and related technologies. If you're down for that, please subscribe to my channel and help me to make more videos. And through which also you can understand the data science and related technologies and can improve your data science journey basically. So thank you for checking my video. So let's get started. So today's video is all about the if-else statement between the Python programming language and Julia programming language. So we'll try to understand how this particular if-else statement, which is a very crucial thing in any programming language, differs between the Python and Julia, and how we can learn both the languages together in this particular video in terms of if-else statement. So if I show you, I'm just telling you right now. So if a statement is something like, so this is if, right? If, and this is else statement. So if a statement means you are going to do something if some condition occur, otherwise it's not going to occur. So the first thing is that, like, if, okay, if something in condition, okay, condition 1 যদি এটা হয়, then print is something. I'm giving you the simplest example using print. You can keep anything in top of that. So basically, the conditions you're going to define in your programming in your programs, that if some condition is happen, then this. If this condition is not happening, else, okay, then print something. Okay, print another thing. I'm telling you in terms of the print statement. Right? So that is what I have also written over here. So you can see that, just a minute. Yeah. So if you can see that, so that if the 2 greater than 1, we know that 2 greater than 1. So that is the condition I have given. If 2 greater than 1, then the colon, then I have given print 2 greater than 1. So that is the answer I'm going to print in for this particular if statement. And else what it will print, so give me some more information. So it is not, if that particular if statement is not going to satisfy, then it is going to print something else different. So if I just run this particular cell, you can see that 2 greater than 1, this is coming basically. So this condition has been fulfilled, so that is why it is providing this particular output, that print statement. So suppose I just change that particular condition, like 2 greater than 1, right? If I make 1 greater than 2, so if I just change to 2, okay, 1 greater than 2, we know that it's a false. 1 could not be greater than 2. So then if statement print will not occur because it's a false for it. But the else, like if 1 not greater than 2, that will be the condition. Else, give me more information. The output should be give me more information. Let's test that out. So if I just run this cell, so give me more information. So right now what happened is that, like, we know that the 2 greater than 1, so that is a true condition, but 1 greater than 2 is not a true condition, it's a false condition. So the else statement is coming up over here. So that is why this give me more information is coming as a output. Okay, so let's again just correct it to greater than 1. So you can see that, so 2 greater than 1, so it is coming. So this particular 2 greater than 1, this particular area, this condition, you can give any kind of thing, like anything you want based on your programming career, like anything you want based on your business logic or some problem statement, you can give over here. So this is example 1. So I can give you some other example also, like if I go to the example 2, I have already written there. So here what I have done is that I have given a condition as a variable. Like, condition over here is basically a variable name. I've given it name as a condition, and if the condition equals to data science, right, then I've created a particular if and else statement over there. So if condition greater than equal to data science, then it will print subscribe to data driven decisions. Okay, and else it will provide thank you for watching a video. Like if condition is data science, then you should subscribe to data driven decisions, and otherwise thank you for watching my videos. So this is the thing I've just written over here, just fun part. So if you just run this cell, okay, so right now the condition is data science, right? The string is data science, so that is why it is printing out something like subscribe to data driven decisions. Okay, but if I just change that data science to data, okay, I'm just writing that now the condition is data only, not data science, then the else condition will occur, because if condition is data science, else that means it is not data science anymore, so the else condition will occur. So if I just run this cell, you'll see that thank you for watching my videos. So this is coming right now, so it has changed totally. Okay, so now you're gonna change it to the science. Okay, so if I run it again, okay, so then this thing is coming right now. So now if I go to the example 3, okay, so in example 3 I've given condition as Julia language, and in Julia language also I've given like the similar kind of thing. Over here I have only given the if and else condition, and the condition was this data science. Here what I have done is that I have also given the if else condition. Along with that I have also added two more condition over here. What is this are called the elif statement, like else if. So multiple condition you can apply in the if statement basically. So if condition this, then print this, right? Elif, like else if, like it is not going to happen. Like if, look, if I write like this, so just show you. Yeah. So basically this is the condition, right? This is a condition, you can see that this is a condition. Like if this particular condition is happening, then this will occur. Subscribe to data driven decision. If condition equals to data science, then this. Else, earlier was only else thank you for watching my videos, but now I have also given other conditions like else if, else if this one condition is Python language. If the condition is over here different Python language, then it will also print subscribe to data driven decision. Okay, else if condition is Julia language, this one again another one is Julia language, then it will again print the subscribe to data driven decisions. This is going to be printed. Else, like if the condition, this is the condition 1, right? I'm just writing this condition 1, this is condition 2, okay, and this is condition 3. So 1, 2 and 3, if 1 is not satisfied, okay, if 2 is not satisfied, if 3 is not satisfied, only then else condition will occur. So thank you for watching my video, this will come. So this is the whole thing on this particular like if elif statement. Okay, so if I just clear it out, so right now you can see if I just run this particular cell over here, you can see that like subscribe to data driven decision is coming. So because it's a Julia language, so Julia language condition, this one condition is the subscribe to data driven decision, so this is coming. So if I give like Python language, I'm just showing you Python, okay, Python language, then also it will give you this like subscribe to data driven decision. So if I just run it again, so you can see that data driven decisions. But again if I just give like anything like if I give data science also, it will print that I have already shown you. So suppose the kite like Python P is capital over here, so if I just put it as a small, so it will be differing from this, like because over here P is capital, here I'm given this as small. So if I again run this cell, it should give else statement conditions. Thank you for watching my videos. So because what happened is that here, so the condition string should be matched each other exactly. So here Python p is small, but over here Python p is capital, so that is why it's a different. So this elif condition is not satisfying, so that is why it go straight to the else statement. So here in this else statement, so you can see that thank you for watching my videos is coming up. So in this way this elif statement is coming right now. So if I again make it to p, and if I again run it, you will see that. So subscribe to data driven decision. So Python language condition is coming, so this one. So this is all about the Python. So how we are going to see the same thing in Julia, like how it is differing from the Julia. So let's find out that, like if I go to the Julia notebook over here, I have already written that. So if I just show you the difference, so okay, so the difference you can see that. So the difference is basically over here. So in Python language, what was that? In Python language was 2 greater than 1 into colon, like something like this, colon. Then you have given the print statement, and again else you have given the colon, like this colon. Then you have given the print statement, and the end was not there in Python language. This one was not there, but in Julia you have to given those things. Like in Julia, like you have to give this particular bracket, okay, and inside the bracket you have to give the conditions, right? And then you have to give the, and there is only colon over there, like colon this is not there, here is totally blank, okay. So the blank thing is going to come here, so you have to give totally blank space over here, and if you just click enter over there, it will automatically take this space, this indentation. This is the indentation, and you have to give the condition, like print statement over here. So if I just again clear it, so for Julia language you have to give the if statement, then in the bracket you have to give the condition, then there is no any colon, then you have to give the output like print 2 greater than 1, okay, else print give me more information, something the same condition I've given, but the format is little different in Julia, that's the difference only. And at the end you have to give the end, so that's the criteria in Julia language, okay. So if I just run this cell again, okay, yeah, so if I just run this cell again, so if I go here and run it, you'll see that 2 greater than 1, the same thing is happening which I've shown in Python. So if I again change it over here, like if I make it to 1, self condition would come, give me more information. So the similar kind of thing is also happening in Julia, okay. So again I run it, okay. So the example 2 is basically the similar sort of thing, like I given the if bracket the condition, the data science, then print should be subscribe to data driven decisions, and else print thank you for watching my videos. So these things is going to come here. So if I again run it, so it will give you subscribe to data driven decisions. So this condition is satisfying, so because condition is data science, it is coming. So if I go to the example 3, so there is a else, like elif statement, like in Python there is if then elif, if then else. If I go to the Python notebook again here, you can see that like if there is elif, if elif, right? So if the condition is not happening, then the elif condition will occur, then if elif not happening, then again elif. So something like this. But in Julia also the similar sort of thing, instead of elif you have to write it full, like else if, elseif, the whole thing you have to write in Julia, this part. So if I write it like this, and the condition you have to given over there, and at the end you have to give the else statement, and if nothing is working out, like there are 3 conditions here, data science, Python language, Julia language, if any of the 3 is nothing is working out, then the else statement will come, and then it will print out thank you for watching my videos. So these things will come up, Okay, and at the end you have to use the end condition in Julia language, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so if I run this particular cell here, so you can see that like subscribe to data driven decisions. So because I have given the Julia language here, so that is why it is coming as subscribe to data driven decisions. Okay, again if I check to data science here, you see data science. Yeah, so if I do this and if I again run this, it will give you the subscribe to data driven decisions. But if I just change a formatting basically, so if I make it small d, okay, and if I just run this, so none of the conditions will satisfy. So that is why the thank you for watching my video is coming, because the three conditions is not coming up. So that is why this particular thank you for watching my videos is coming. So this is the differences between the Python and Julia language in terms of the like if and else statement. Okay, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you like it. And if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment below. I'll be happy to help you whatever I can. And I'll see you soon with the next video. And if you feel this particular series of videos can help other people, please share it with others. And I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks.